What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Bullx bot fully tutorial. I'm going to give you about that. So for that, we have this small images which will tell you the differences. First things first, when you turn on your Bullx, they will want you to obviously select your chains wherever you would like to trade on. You just have to select the ones according to you. Once you do that, you just have to go to Wallet Manager and make sure you have set up your wallet. Or make sure to import and export the private keys as well, so that just in case if you lose anything, you have the private keys to get access to your wallet as well. Now, after that, this is what the home page will look like. Here you'll be able to do different things. You'll be able to do the consolidating from one cryptocurrency to another. You will be able to, do a lot of things. You can, set your, like settings for the each cryptocurrency from the settings things. You'll be able to, enable or disable your MEV protections. You'll be able to, go to the home screen, place trades, look at the prices and all the things like that, like a trading chart as well. And you will be also be able to see your old stats about the trading, that 1 hour and all the things. However, you'll be able to use it to enhance your trading experience, enhance your crypto experience. I would suggest you just get the bullets and start to trade. That's very much it. That's what I have to say. Hope you guys find this very helpful.